Have you ever dreamed of creating a successful online course? The kind that generates passive income while you sleep, allowing you to share your passions with the world and achieve true financial freedom? It's a powerful vision, but for most, it remains just that, a dream. The reality often seems daunting. You think you need to be a world-renowned expert with decades of experience. You worry about the immense time commitment, the complex curriculum design, and the technical hurdles of writing compelling content that actually sells. These barriers have stopped countless aspiring creators in their tracks. But what if I told you that the game has fundamentally changed? What if the biggest obstacles to creating and selling online courses have been completely obliterated by a technological revolution? Welcome to the new era of course creation, powered by artificial intelligence. With the latest AI tools, the entire process is transformed. You no longer need to be the single source of all knowledge. Instead, you can become a skilled curator, leveraging AI to research topics, structure comprehensive modules, and generate engaging lesson scripts in a fraction of the time. Imagine turning a simple idea into a professional-grade course outline in minutes. Imagine having an AI co-writer that helps you craft every word of your video scripts, quizzes, and marketing materials. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality available to you right now. You can build a profitable course in virtually any niche you're passionate about without needing a PhD. In this video, we're going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how it's done. We'll walk you through the step-by-step blueprint for building your own AI-powered course empire from scratch. Let's dive in and unlock your potential. We are living in an unprecedented era of digital transformation, and nowhere is this more apparent than in the world of education. The demand for online learning isn't just growing, it has absolutely skyrocketed, creating a seismic shift in how knowledge is shared and acquired across the globe. People from every walk of life, in every corner of the world, are seeking flexible, accessible, and specialized skills that traditional education often can't provide at the same scale or speed. They're hungry for knowledge and they're looking for it online. This explosion in demand presents a golden opportunity. For experts, hobbyists, and anyone with a passion to share, this is your chance to build something meaningful. Imagine creating a single, high-quality course and having the ability to sell it to a student in Tokyo, a professional in Berlin, and a retiree in Florida all at the same time, day after day. This is the power of creating a digital asset. It allows you to break free from trading time for money and build a stream of passive income that works for you around the clock, reaching a truly worldwide audience. But let's be honest, the biggest hurdle that stops most aspiring course creators is the sheer scale of the task. Where do you even begin? Structuring modules, writing scripts, creating quizzes. It can feel like trying to build a skyscraper with no blueprint. This is where the game truly changes. The secret weapon that turns this daunting mountain into a manageable hill is artificial intelligence. Before you do anything else, your first and most critical step is to choose the right AI tool. While many options exist, we're going to focus on a powerhouse that has become synonymous with AI content creation, ChatGPT. Think of it not as a replacement for your expertise, but as your tireless creative partner, your research assistant, and your structural architect, all rolled into one. It's here to handle the heavy lifting of organization and initial drafting, so you can focus on what you do best, sharing your unique knowledge and passion. The magic begins with a simple conversation. With a tool like ChatGPT, you can generate a complete, logical, and well-structured course outline in a matter of seconds. The key is in how you ask. Don't just say, make a course on photography. Be specific. Input your course topic, define your target audience, and mention the key outcomes you want for your students. The more detail you provide, the more tailored and effective the output will be. Watch as the AI instantly builds a professional framework. You'll get a title, a course description, learning objectives, and a breakdown of modules and individual lessons. This outline is your roadmap, providing a clear path from start to finish and ensuring your course flows logically, covering all the essential points without overwhelming your students. But it doesn't stop at the outline. You can then drill down into each section. Ask the AI to create detailed lesson plans, write video scripts, or generate engaging activities. Need a quiz to test your students' knowledge? AI creates relevant questions and answers automatically. Need discussion prompts to foster a community? It can do that too. It systematically removes the friction and writer's block from every stage of content creation. However, and this is the most important part, AI is your starting point, not your final destination. The generated content is a robust draft, a foundation upon which you build. Your final, crucial step is to customize this content. Infuse it with your personality, your stories, your real-world examples, and your unique perspective. This is what transforms a generic course into a premium, high-value learning experience. Your human touch is the secret ingredient that AI can't replicate, and it's what will make your students connect with you and your material. Now that your content is scripted, it's time for design. Many creators get stuck here believing they lack artistic skills, but this is where AI becomes your personal graphic designer. Simply input your text, and AI suggests stunning layouts and harmonious color palettes. It ensures your materials are visually captivating, which is crucial for keeping students engaged. Your course also needs supporting materials like slides, workbooks, and checklists. Manually creating these was a monumental task. Now, AI accelerates this process. Feed your script into an AI tool to instantly generate a slide deck or summarize takeaways for a workbook. You can even use AI video editors to add professional touches like animated intros, elevating your production quality with just a few clicks. With your complete course package ready, it's time to choose its home. You have two main paths. A dedicated platform like Teachable or Kajabi gives you complete control over branding, student data, and pricing. You're building your own brand. The other path is a marketplace like Udemy, which offers a massive built-in audience. They handle much of the marketing, but you have less control and they take a larger revenue cut. The choice depends on your goals, full control, or tapping into a pre-existing market. This is the moment where your expertise gets assigned a value. Pricing can be intimidating, but don't just copy competitors. Your price should reflect the unique transformation you offer. Consider offering tiered pricing, a basic version and a premium one with extra resources. Once priced, it's time to launch. And a launch isn't just flipping a switch, it's a marketing event. Use AI to write compelling sales page copy, email sequences, and social media posts to build buzz. With a click, your course is available to a global audience. This is the magic of a digital product. You've done the hard work up front, and now you've created an asset that can generate revenue for you while you sleep. This is the power of passive income, decoupling your time from your earnings. Your course is your digital employee, working for you around the clock. But beyond the financial rewards, there's a deeper satisfaction that comes from sharing your knowledge. You'll start to see positive reviews and testimonials roll in, with students thanking you for the impact you've had on their lives. This is where you build a true community. You're not just a content creator, you're a teacher and a mentor, empowering people all over the world. Let's put this into perspective. Traditionally, creating a quality course took months of intense effort. You had to be a writer, designer, and marketer all in one. AI changes the entire equation. It acts as your co-pilot, collapsing that timeline from months into weeks by automating tedious tasks and eliminating technical barriers. This efficiency leads directly to scalability, allowing you to build a whole library of courses. A true course empire. You have the knowledge, you have the passion, and now you have the tools. The barrier to entry for creating a professional, profitable online course has never been lower. Don't let self-doubt hold you back. The world needs your unique expertise. Your first course is the cornerstone of your digital empire. Start today. If you're ready to continue this journey and want more in-depth guides and advanced strategies for building your digital business with AI, subscribe to AI Goldmine. We bring you actionable advice to accelerate your success. Click subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single profitable tip. Have you ever created an online course? Share your tips and experiences in the comments. Subscribe to AI Goldmine for more tips on turning AI tools into profitable business opportunities. Next, how to use AI to write ebooks and sell online.